Exercise 5-1, Sensitivity Analysis. First, enter all of your assumptions in the yellow cells and enter all the formulas for year 0 of our 5-year projection model. Now we're going to enter the formulas for year 1 to year 4. Sales volume for year 1 is simply the previous year's sales volume plus our projected sales growth. Press enter. Selling price for year 1 is the previous year's selling price plus our projected price increase. Cost per bottle for year 1 is the previous year's cost per bottle plus our projected cost increase. The formula for total revenue and total unit costs remains the same, so we can just copy it over. Okay, now the formula for fixed costs, we can simply copy it from year 0 because this fixed cost is the same for all 5 years, but we need to make it an absolute reference first. Okay, now we can copy it over. Formula for profit can be copied over. Now, cumulative profit will be the previous year's cumulative profit plus the current year's profit. So that's C23 plus D22. Now we can copy these formulas over to year 2, year 3, and year 4. But first, there are a few things we need to change. We need to make C7 an absolute reference, because our sales growth is always going to refer to C7, and we can simply drag it over. Okay, same thing with selling price per bottle. We need to make C11 an absolute reference. For cost per bottle, we need to make C9 an absolute reference. And the rest of the formulas can simply be copied over. And we also need to make sure our format looks good. And that's the first part of exercise 5, exercise 5-1.